under 10. So you want to be in it?
Yeah, I'm Bugs.
Who wants to be in it? And they're 10 or under. Come stand on that side of the table. If you're not going to be in it, go away. Stand around over here.
Yes. Yes. It's gross. And they have to eat 10 earthworms and 10 crickets. And they're
cricket. Is this camera supposed to be filming this?
Hold your hand.
Are we live?
Who's still doing it? Hold your hand, grab it so it doesn't fly away. That's alright, no one has to do it. No one has to do it.
I know. In a cricket.
Hold it gently, don't kill it until it goes in your mouth. One at a time on your mark. Get set, go! James is the winner! Yes, he'll bet by a country mile. And that slide, chew. Have they all gone yet?
Where's your cricket?
The crickets all escaped, they let the crickets go.
Stick your tongue out. Keep going.
Did anyone else besides James actually eat him?
Josh, come on. Go, Josh. Josh, it's okay.
Did you eat them?
It's only because they wiggle, that's all. Good for you.
It's peeling.
Just chew it. Chew. That's it.
So there's 4 on that plate.
Chew.
There's 2 on that plate. Josh has had a couple. Oh, you ate them? So is that Joy? Is that you? Are you Joy? I think you're the runner-up.
How you going, Josh?
Are they good, Joy?
Joy is the runner-up. All right.
Good job, James. Gonna eat another one. James is eating them. Okay, do they taste good? Okay.
Wait.
Do you eat it?
Yeah, it's like chicken burger.
We can step away from the table. We have
eat it like that.
a runner-up. We have a winner, and I will pay you later. I will pay you later. Sorry.
No.
All right. Under 10, step away. Under 10, step away. Come on, James.
Good night.
Do we have any contestants for the open division?
It'll be like
You're not eating.
and 2 crickets and a
There you go. Oh, you got to cut the cricket gently in your hand so you don't squash it so it doesn't get away. Okay, close your hand up on it. There you go.
High five. I don't even get a hold of that. Do they bite?
No, they don't. Grab so you can get yourself a cricket. So you can get yourself a cricket. Get yourself a cricket.
I would eat the middle one. It's probably just going to eat it. I had to. Oh my god.
The other ones that need to be consumed one at a time after you finish the crickets.
Don't video me, okay?
Ready, set, go! No, alright, one at a time please. The cricket should be consumed first. Alright, it has to be swallowed. Open up.
No, you didn't.
Ah, he's now. Yes, you're a winner. Runner up. Well done, everyone.
I beat her.
No, your mouth is closed. I saw it going. All right, well done, players. Okay.
It just tastes like grass. Oh yeah, okay. I could feel it.